Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mangalore location. Let us see what are the job openings available and we will discuss one by one. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Ideal Ice Cream Organization. They are looking for quality assurance and control executive. You can see the qualification is BSc in food technology or dairy technology or microbiology and should have a minimum 3 years of experience, preferably in food or beverage manufacturing industry. You should have a good knowledge of food safety and management systems as well. You should have a knowledge of computers, MS Office, and should have a working knowledge of ERP systems. So you can check with other details. They clearly given the information what are the job requirements required for the particular job role. You can reach the company on the given phone numbers, and I have also included the official address details. Contact numbers are 8242456874 and 8242455515, and salary details not disclosed. You can check with the company for further information. Next, there is a job openings for Lycora Consulting Services. They are looking for administrative support executive. You can see there is a job responsibilities provided here. You can check with that in detail information available. I have also included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. I have provided contact number and email ID. Contact number is 8197575303 and email ID is info@lykora.in. You can check with the company for further information on the given phone number or email ID. Next, there is a job openings for cyberspace. They are looking for cyber security intern trainee. Job description provided here. You can check with that, and required skills like you should have an interest in cyber security or ethical hacking, and that is mandatory. And like location, job location will be Mangalore or online or remotely as well. So I have provided the address details and contact number here. You can check with that. I have also included the official website address link and email ID, contact numbers, everything available here. Contact number is 9964203651 and email ID is click@cyber.sapieins.in. Next, for the same organization, Cyberspace, they are looking for cyber security intern. You can check with the other details like freshers are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9964203651. I repeat 9964203651 and email ID is click@cyber.sapieins.in. Next, there is a job openings for the organization Heritage Foods. They are looking for sales executive position for the locations Mangalore and Gulbarga, and minimum 3 to 6 years of experience is required in milk or FMCG industry. That is mandatory. Qualification is any graduation or any post graduation, and preferably male candidates are required for this job role, and male candidates are preferred. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9100042379 and email ID is mahitha.t@heritagefoods.in. Next, there is a job openings for ONGC Mangalore Petrochemicals Limited organization. They are looking for various job openings. They have vacancies available for the degree in respective engineering streams, and last date to apply is Jan 1st 2021, and you can go through the provided website address link and apply for the job. There is a detailed notification is available. You can check with that, and if you can follow up with that, the detailed information provided in the given website address link. And if you see for the chemical engineering, they have 8 vacancies, and electrical and electronics in engineering department they have 3 vacancies, and electronics and communication and instrumentation department they have 2 vacancies, and mechanical department they have 4 vacancies. Stipend offered up to 10,000 a month, including everything in that. So last day to apply for this job is January 1st 2021, and you can check with the other details at the provided website address link. And there is also contact number for any information. If you need, you can contact number is 082428720064 or 082428720058. The two numbers are available, and there is a official website like office address details also available. You can check with that. So if you need anything help on this, let me know in comments. I'll be replying for that. And job role is graduate or technician apprentice trainee. So there are vacancies for degree and diploma also. We will see diploma in the next tab. Next, there is a job openings for the diploma qualification in different engineering streams like chemical, electrical and electronics engineering and mechanical engineering fields. Last day to apply is January 1st, 2021, and the same procedure applicable. You can go through the provided website address and you can check with the notification and you can apply for the job. There is a detailed information provided. And chemical engineering, they have one vacancy, and electrical and electronics engineering department, they have three vacancies, and mechanical engineering department, they have four vacancies. And qualification efficiency should be a diploma engineering graduate. Diploma in engineering in particular discipline should be there for a candidate, and this is also graduate or a technician apprentice trainee. The position is same as that, and you can see stipend offered up to 8,000 a month. So further information if you need, you can contact on the given phone numbers. Contact numbers are 082428720064 and 082428720058. Next, there is a job openings for Sud Basket. They are looking for sales executive position. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You can check with the other details here, job responsibilities and what are the things going to be done as this in this job role. You can check with the detailed information provided here. You can check with that. And I have included the contact address details and contact phone numbers, email ID as well. Contact numbers are 7204836426 and 7959255303, and email ID is support@shuddhbasket.com, and address details available here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Jonacare Laboratories. They are looking for professional service representative. Qualification diploma in pharmacy or bachelor's in pharmacy or BSc. All these three qualifications are eligible for the job role, and age limit minimum 20 years up to 25 years of age will be considered, and experience if you see freshers are eligible, and up to 1 year of experience also will be considered. Job description provided here, you can check with that. Detailed information available. What are the roles and responsibilities for this job role? You can check with that. If you feel you are fit for this job role, you can apply. I have included the email IDs to apply for the job. You can share your resume at the provided email ID hr@zonakare.com. I have included the official contact address details here. You can check with that, and there is also other email IDs available, but you can share your resume at the HR manager official email ID hr@zonakare.com. Next, there is a job openings for Artlona. They are looking for editor or fresher or designer. Freshers are eligible for the job role. Minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month will be offered. So job summary is provided here. You can check with that. Training will be provided by the company itself as per the update here for the 3 months, and there will be shifts also, shift rotations. Like, you can check with the company on the given phone numbers or email ID for further information. And you can see freshers are eligible, and they should be undergone training under the company. And contact numbers are 903591853 and 8244118533, and I have included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Manipal hospitals. They are looking for staff nurses. Qualification if you see should be a GNM or BSc nursing. Freshers also eligible for this job role. So you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is parinitha.shetty@manipalhospitals.com. I have included the official address like website address link to apply for the job. You can apply through the link provided, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Next, for the same organization, Manipal Hospitals, they have vacancies for pharmacist. Qualification is D Pharmacy or B Pharmacy, and freshers are eligible for the job role. I have included the what are the job responsibilities and what are the things so should be work done by the this job role responsibilities included here. You can check with that. You can apply for the job by browsing the provided link, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. The two ways are there. You can do anything. It will be applied for the particular job. This will be same for the other job roles as well. You can apply for the particular job role if you feel you are fit for that by browsing the provided link, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is parinitha@manipalhospitals.com. Next, for the same organization, Manipal Hospitals, they have vacancies for dialysis technician. Freshers are eligible for the job role. Qualification, if you see, should be a diploma or BSc in dialysis technology. You can check with the what are the job responsibilities here, job description details. You can apply by browsing the provided link, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Either way, you can apply. Email ID is parinitha.shetty@manipalhospitals.com, or you can go through the provided website link and you can apply for the job. Next, there is a job openings for OT technician. Qualification is diploma or BSc in operation technology. Job description details provided here. You can check with that. Freshers are eligible for the job role. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can go through the provided website address link and apply for the job. Email ID is parinitha.shetty@manipalhospitals.com. Next, for the same organization, Manipal Hospitals, they have vacancies for marketing executive. Should be a graduate or postgraduate. Qualification is that, and minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is required in sales or marketing in reputed organization. You can check with the job description and responsibilities provided here. You can check with that. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can go through the provided website address link and apply for the job. Email ID is parinitha.shetty@manipalhospitals.com. Next, there is a job openings for lab technician for the same organization, Manipal Hospitals. They are looking for lab technician positions. Freshers are eligible for the job role. Qualification, if you see, should be a diploma or BSc in medical lab technology. Job description and detailed information provided here. What are the responsibilities? You can check with that. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can go through the provided website address and apply for the job. Email ID is parinitha.shetty@manipalhospitals.com. Next, there is a job openings for junior resident for the organization Manipal Hospitals. Qualification, if you see, should be MBBS. Job description and a detailed information provided here. You can check with that. Freshers are eligible for the job role. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can go through the provided link and apply for the job. Email ID is parinitha.shetty@manipalhospitals.com. Next, there is a job openings for resident or registrar for OBZ. They have vacancies for this Manipal Hospitals organization. Qualification is DGO. Job description and detailed information provided here. You can check with that. Freshers are eligible for the job role. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can go through the provided website address link and apply for the job. Next, there is a job openings for registrar pediatric, and qualification is DCH, DNB or MD pediatrics. You can check with the job description details here. You can check with that detailed information provided here. Freshers are eligible for the job role. You can go through the provided website address and apply for the job, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, there is a job openings for neurophysiology technician. Freshers are eligible for the job role. Qualification diploma or BSc in neurological technology. You can check with the job description and responsibilities here. You can go through the provided website address link and apply for the job, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, there is a job openings for ETO Studios. They are looking for cake baker. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 20,000 a month. And you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8310688402. Next, there is a job openings for ETO Studios. They are looking for fondant cake baker. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 25,000 a month. And this organization is franchise of Warm Woven. And you can check with the job description here. You can call her on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8310688402. Next, there is a job openings for Homeland organization. They are looking for design expert. You can check with the responsibilities and duties for the job role and qualification and skill set required, and should be a 2+ years of minimum 2 years of experience required as interior designer for this job role. And you can contact on the given email ID for further information. There is 2 email IDs provided here, and I have also included the official contact address details here. You can check with that. And email IDs are careers@homelane.com, and one more email ID is hr@homelane.com. So any of the email ID you can use, and you can share your resume if you have the skill set provided. They have provided some knowledge of like tools, AutoCAD, Google SketchUp, V-Ray, like that. You can check with other details here, detailed information provided. Next, there is a job openings for One City Technology. They are looking for telesales executive. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Should you have a 2 to 3 years of experience as a telesales executive for any IT organization? You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. I have also included the official contact address details. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 0824243399 and 0824243399, and one more number is 0824 4111399, and one more contact number is 7204097998, and one more is 99023302333, and one more 95388866551. Next, there is a job openings for sales executives for the organization Sultan Diamonds and Gold. They are looking for sales executive positions. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month. You can check with the other details here. They have provided detailed information, what are the things required. So you can contact on the given phone number for further information, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can directly walk in between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday at their corporate office, Kankanadi, Mangalore. I have provided the official contact address details here. You can check with that. Contact number is 082424399160 or 082424399164, and the email ID is info@sultandiamondsandgold.com, info@sultandiamondsandgold.com. So this is the email ID. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Mangalore location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings for Mangalore location. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Have a great day.